Guys, it's real. It's real. It's real. I'm going to close out this video like I do with every other video that I do. In the words of the great Jimmy V, the NC State head coach, he said, never give up. Don't give up. Don't ever give up. This surplus recovery business, it is out here. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry. These surplus funds are getting posted to these foreclosures are getting they're created every single month. There's 3,600 agencies across the United States that's actually foreclosed, that has the authority to foreclose every single day of every single month, which is 365 days a year. Guys, we're never, ever going to claim all this money. There's plenty of enough surplus funds out here for everybody. Pick a state, find out where you're comfortable with, and go ahead and move forward. You cannot make money if you're sitting on the fence, if you're not in this game. Find out where you want to work at. If you don't know, we've already got the research already did for you. It's already did for you. We know where the money's at. In every state, we could tell you the top 5 counties that is holding the money based on the foreclosures in those states. We've already did the research. We already have attorneys, liquidation attorneys, as well as foreclosure attorneys, real estate attorneys in all 50 states. So it doesn't matter where you want to work. You need to decide that. The last thing I'll tell everybody before I close out is that we have a 15-step how to claim surplus funds in most of the states here. What that means is all states here in the United States, they're not tax deeded states. Some have tax liens. So you have to be very careful. That's why I say you do your research, you do your due diligence. And if you tell me that you're looking to do this in the state, I can tell you whether there's surplus funds there or not. I can do that. I've already did the research.